Welcome to my YouTube channel, Softworldlink. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a glitter texture in Adobe Illustrator. Select the eyedropper tool and apply a gradient to all the rectangles. Go to the Effects menu and select Artistic and then select Film Grain. Make the settings according to your requirement. Apply a gradient to the text. Go to Object menu and then expand it. Go to the Effects menu and select Artistic and then select Film Grain. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. Like and share the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.